Today I'm going to show you how to take a couch cushion that is dirty and stained and make it look like this. Being a detailer, I use these products when cleaning cars. They work great for home interior, for anything carpet, cloth, fabric like this. Let me show you my process and how to get your couch cushions looking great. First thing I do is I take the tough stuff. You can get this at Walmart. It's like $4 a can. This stuff's fantastic. And I'll spray it on all the heavily stained areas. And you want this nice foam. All right, so then you're gonna let this sit there and foam and do its job for about 30-45 seconds. So after that 30-45 seconds is up, I take this Terminator by PNS. It's an enzyme-based stain remover, and I'll spray that over everything. And then you're gonna take the carpet bomber and spray that on top of it right away. So this is like a 3-step process. There's one more in the collection, and it's a neutralizer. I'll have links in the description for all that, but you'll spray that on once you're done, and it neutralizes the cleaning. So we're gonna let this sit for about 4 to 5 minutes. And we're gonna come back and hit it with the drill brush and then with a extractor. All right, for this part, just use a drill. I'm just using a cheap Harbor Freight one with a drill brush attachment. And you're just going to go over the area. All right, the last step is using an extractor. I've got more of a car detailing oriented one. You can use a simple Bissell one from Walmart, Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for it. But essentially we're gonna pull out all that dirt. You can use a wet dry vac and spray it down with like a sprayer filled with water, and just use a wet dry vac if you don't want to go buy a extractor. But that's going to pull out all the dirt here, and then we're going to let it dry and see if we need to hit it one more time. All right, extraction's done. It's still a little damp, so we're gonna let it dry off, but all those stains are gone. One thing I will caution you is those stains could come back if they have penetrated down into the foam. They could work their way back up as this dries. So you might have to hit it again, even if it looks like they're clean right now. What's your favorite product to use when you're cleaning up stuff around your house? Comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.